Yeah, this is a balancing jig that I got off the internet. It comprises of a balancing T suspended by a pulley from the beam of the shed. It's got two wing sashes and a small plumb bob which points to your balancing point. I've been building biplanes for a long time and I've always had a difficulty in balancing them, and it's almost impossible, but this seems to do the job. I'll show you some critical items on the plan. This is where the balancing range is on the plan, on the bottom wing, but it's impossible to balance it from there, and I've transferred them up to the top wing and marked it on the original plane. This is the 0 degree incidence line on the plan, and up the top here is the top of the fuselage shell, which is on the same incidence as that 0 degree, so that's what I'm going to use to balance it on. Previously I've used the tail plane, and on this one, as you'll see, it's 1 1/4 degrees plus, and it's very interesting to see the difference that makes. Okay, here I've got this set up with a little level here on the top of the fuzz there. Currently I've got it set right in the middle of the bubble, and there's the plumb bob showing, the yellow mark showing the balance there. But when I come back to the tail, as you see, the little bubble in this level back here is well forward. So what you can do is you twist this dowel on the T, and you can move the plane, the balance point, and get that in the centre, and then when everything steadies itself, there's the plumb bob pointing to the balance point there, which is approximately 20 mil different to the 0 degree. Now, just to sort of demonstrate how this works, if you wanted to change the balance point, in this case you wouldn't do this, but I'll put some lead on the tail, and you can see what it's done to the bubble. The bubbles move right forward again. I twist the dowels to bring the bubble into the centre, and have a look where the plumb bob is pointing now. Once things stop swinging and moving, I think this is a very accurate way to complete a difficult job. You can balance all sorts of planes with it, but biplanes are the ones that I've always had difficulty with. So I hope this is of interest to some of you.